Hello, hello. Welcome back to our channel, everyone. I am Alex.
And I am Sora. We are so happy to see you again here on Ready Talk. This is the place where we have easy, friendly conversations to help you practice your English.
We talk about real life so you can learn useful words.
That's right. And if you are new here, please take a moment to click the subscribe button below. It really helps our channel grow.
Don't forget to hit the bell icon too. That way you will know every time we have a new talk ready for you.
Today we are talking about something very popular these days. It is about what we eat. Are you ready, Alex?
I am definitely ready. Let's talk about food. So, Sora, I saw you eating lunch today. You had a very big salad, but I didn't see any chicken or beef on your plate.
You have a good eye, Alex. Actually, I'm trying something new. I am trying to be a vegetarian.
A vegetarian? That is interesting. For our listeners who are beginners, let's explain that word simply. A vegetarian is someone who does not eat meat, right?
Exactly. No chicken, no pork, no beef, and no fish.
So, just vegetables? That sounds a bit boring, Sora. Do you just eat carrots all day?
No, of course not. Vegetarians eat many things. We eat fruits, vegetables, grains like rice and bread, beans and nuts, and usually eggs and cheese too.
Oh, okay. So you still eat cheese. I love cheese. I don't think I could live without pizza.
Yes, most vegetarians eat dairy products. That means milk, butter, and cheese. But there is another word for people who eat no animal products at all. Do you know it?
That is a vegan, right?
Yes, vegans are very strict. No meat, no eggs, no milk, and sometimes even no honey.
Wow, being a vegan sounds like a lot of work, but being a vegetarian seems more doable. So why did you decide to stop eating meat, Sora? Did a cow tell you a sad story?
No, nothing like that. There are actually three main reasons why people choose to be vegetarians.
Let's hear them.
The first reason is health. Many studies show that eating more vegetables and less meat can be good for your heart. It can also help you stay at a healthy weight.
That makes sense. Vegetables have a lot of vitamins. What is the second reason?
The second reason is the environment. Did you know that raising cows and pigs uses a lot of water and land? It creates a lot of pollution too.
I didn't think about that. So eating a bean burger instead of a beef burger can actually help the planet?
Yes, it's like being green with your stomach.
And the third reason?
The third reason is animal welfare. Many people just love animals and don't want them to be hurt for food.
I understand that. I love my dog, and I would never eat him.
Exactly. For some people, every animal is like a pet.
But Sora, don't you get hungry? Meat has a lot of protein. How do you get energy?
That is a very common question. You don't need meat for protein. You can get it from beans, lentils, tofu, and even broccoli.
Tofu? I tried tofu once. It didn't taste like anything. It was like eating a white sponge.
That is because you didn't cook it right, Alex. Tofu is like a secret agent. It takes the flavor of whatever you cook it with. If you put it in a spicy sauce, it tastes spicy.
Okay, maybe I will give it another chance. But what about going to restaurants? Is it hard to find food?
It used to be hard, but now it is very easy. Most restaurants have a V symbol on their menu.
Oh, I have seen that. The V stands for vegetarian.
Yes, and many places now have plant-based meat. It tastes almost exactly like a real hamburger, but it's made from plants.
I tried one of those. I was very surprised. I thought it was beef. I guess technology is making it easier to be a vegetarian.
You know, Alex, the funniest thing is when I tell my grandmother I'm a vegetarian.
What does she say?
She says, "Oh, that's okay, dear. I will just make you some chicken soup."
She thinks chicken isn't meat?
Yes, to her, meat only means beef. I have to explain to her every time that chickens are animals too.
My parents are the same. They think a meal without meat is just a snack.
But think about it, Alex. Some of the best foods in the world are already vegetarian.
Like what?
Pasta with tomato sauce, pizza, vegetable sushi, falafel.
You're right. I love all of those. I guess I'm a part-time vegetarian and I didn't even know it.
That's actually a real thing. Some people call it being flexitarian.
Flexitarian? Like flexible and vegetarian?
Exactly. You eat meat sometimes, but you try to eat vegetarian meals most of the time.
Let's help our friends with some words they can use. Sora, what do we call it when we don't eat meat for just one day?
Many people do something called Meatless Monday. It's a fun way to start the week in a healthy way.
That is a great phrase. Another good word is nutrients. These are the things in food that our bodies need to grow, like vitamins and minerals.
And don't forget cravings. Sometimes, even if I want to be a vegetarian, I have a craving for a juicy burger.
What do you do when you have a craving?
I eat a big bowl of salty popcorn or some nuts. Usually the feeling goes away.
You are very strong, Sora. If I smell bacon, I follow the smell like a cartoon character.
If our students want to try being vegetarian, what advice should we give them?
I think they should start slow. Don't stop everything at once. Maybe try one vegetarian meal a day.
Good advice. Also, learn how to use spices. Cumin, garlic, and ginger can make vegetables taste amazing.
And don't be afraid to ask at restaurants. You can say, "Does this dish have meat in it?" Or, "Can I have this without the bacon, please?"
Most chefs are happy to help. It's a very normal request now.
Well, Sora, you have inspired me. Tonight, I'm going to cook a giant vegetable stir-fry.
That sounds delicious, Alex. Can I come over and eat some?
Of course, but you have to bring the dessert.
Deal. I will bring some vegan chocolate cake. You won't even know the difference.
I will be the judge of that.
We hope you enjoyed our talk about vegetarianism today. We hope it helped you learn some new English words.
What about you? Do you eat meat or are you a vegetarian? Tell us in the comments. We love to read your stories.
If you liked this video, please give us a like. It helps more people find Ready Talk.
And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to join our English learning family.
We will be back soon with another fun conversation.
Thank you for listening. Keep practicing, eat your vegetables, and we will see you in the next video.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.